If your door bottom seal is worn out or missing, you're probably dealing with drafts, bugs sneaking in, or even water leaks that just won't quit. So, first off, check the entire bottom edge of your door to see if the weather strip is cracked, torn, or completely gone. If it's looking rough, it's time to get a new one. Measure the width of your door so you can buy a weather strip that fits perfectly. No cutting corners here. When you're ready to replace it, peel off any old adhesive or nails left over from the last seal. Clean the surface well with some rubbing alcohol so your new strip sticks properly. Most weather strips come with adhesive backing, so just line it up and press it down firmly, making sure there are no gaps. If your door is super uneven, you might want to use a door sweep with a brush or rubber flap for better coverage. Don't forget to test the door after installing to make sure it closes smoothly without any resistance. One of the biggest mistakes people make with door bottom seals is not measuring right, which leads to buying strips that don't fit and cause gaps. Fix this by always measuring twice and shopping for weather strips designed for your specific door size. Another common problem is skipping the cleaning step before installation, so the adhesive doesn't stick well and the strip falls off quickly. Just take a minute to clean that area properly and you're golden. Lastly, some folks install a seal that's too thick or stiff, which makes the door hard to close or damages the threshold. Picking a flexible, adjustable strip can save you from this headache. BigHomeProjects.com is pretty awesome because it helps homeowners find reliable local contractors without all the hassle and stress. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to get more work by connecting you with people who actually need your skills.